Let me guess. Your shorts are getting views, but your subscribers? They're not moving. That's not bad luck. That's a bad strategy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI Shorts and Reels so they don't just go viral, they actually grow your channel. This is day 7 of my 30 Days to AI Designer series. So why do most shorts fail to convert viewers into subscribers? It's simple. Most creators treat shorts like lottery tickets. They upload, hope for the best, and then repeat the process. But here's the secret. Shorts are not just content. They are advertisements for your long-form videos. Think about it. If your short teaches everything there is to know on a topic, there's no reason for anyone to click on your longer video. If it doesn't build any curiosity, people will just swipe away. And if it gives no clear direction on what to do next, you've just lost a potential viewer forever. 1 million views on a video like that won't help you grow your channel one bit. You need to stop treating shorts as standalone pieces and start seeing them as the top of your content funnel. Here's the system the professionals use, and it's all about engineering attention. It's a simple 4-step process: hook, open loop, value, and redirect. This isn't about traditional storytelling or generic motivation. It's a precise formula designed to make people think, I absolutely need to see the full video. First, you grab their attention with a strong hook. Then, you create an open loop, a question or a piece of missing information that their brain desperately wants to close. Next, you provide a quick hit of value to show you know what you're talking about. And finally, you redirect them to your long-form content where they can get the complete picture. Your goal is to leave them wanting more, not feeling satisfied. Now, this is where AI comes in to supercharge the process, but let's be clear. It doesn't replace your strategic thinking. AI is brilliant at the heavy lifting. It can generate captions instantly, find compelling visuals, and help you edit at lightning speed. But you, the creator, are still in the driver's seat. You have to decide on the hook that will stop the scroll. You need to choose the angle that makes your content unique. And most importantly, you have to craft that final redirect line that gets the click. Remember, a bad idea powered by AI just becomes a faster failure. The strategy has to come from you first. So what's the perfect length for a short? Forget all the gurus telling you it has to be under 7 seconds. The winning range, especially as we head into 2026, is between 35 and 45 seconds. Why this specific window? It's the sweet spot. It gives you just enough time to provide some context and establish your authority. It's also enough time to build genuine curiosity and open that loop I mentioned earlier. But crucially, it's not enough time to explain everything and give away the whole farm. The goal is to deliver a substantial teaser that leaves them hungry for the main course, which is your long-form video. Now for the most important part, redirecting viewers to your long videos. This is where so many creators go wrong. Never, ever use a generic call to action like watch the full video on my channel. It's lazy and ineffective. Instead, be specific and compelling. Say something like, this is just part 1 of the process, which implies there's more to learn. Or, I explain the biggest mistake you can make in detail in the full breakdown. You can even say, you can find the full breakdown on my channel, dabchickco. Being specific gives people a concrete reason to take the next step rather than just a vague suggestion. To help you put all of this into action, I've created a free AI Shorts formula PDF. It's packed with hooks, structures, and scripts you can use right away. Just comment the word shorts below and I'll share it with you. Tomorrow, on day 8, we're diving into AI video editing that will save you 80% of your time. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of the series.